This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add tags to your YouTube videos. I'll show you both how to add them as you're uploading a video if you want to add the tags in, or maybe you have a previous video that you have already uploaded. I'll show you how to go in and add tags to that video. It's very similar, very easy to do. Right now I'm uploading this video here, and as far as adding tags, your title is more important and your description is more important than your tags are. So make sure your title is pretty good, and your description too. You want to describe your video as good as you can in your description. But after that, you'll scroll down all the way down towards the bottom, and it will ask you, first it will ask you, is this video made for kids? And you have to select either whether it's made for kids or not. This video that I'm uploading here is not necessarily made for kids, so I selected no. Then you will select show more. Then you'll scroll down, and right here is where you'll add your tags. It says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. Like if you're posting a video and it's maybe the name is commonly misspelled or something, you'd want to type that in here. Any type of keywords you'll want to type in here. This video that I'm uploading, how to disable Windows 10 login password screen. So I would type in stuff like Windows 10, Windows password, and so on, just to add and I think you could add, like, I can't remember for sure, I think it's like 30 different keywords you could add to it. But if there's a video that you've already uploaded that you want to add tags to, what you want to do is go up to your icon at the right side, click on it, then you want to go down to where it says YouTube Studio. Select that, and then here off to the left, this pane off to the left side here, you want to click on content. You want to bring your videos up, and a video that you've already posted, say I wanted to add tags to this video here, I've already posted it. I'll click on this pencil icon here, which if you put your mouse over it, it says details. Click on that, and then from there it's the same process. You'll scroll down, you'll click on show more. If it doesn't allow you to click on show more, make sure you have one of these selected here, the made for kids or not. Click on show more, scroll down, and right in here you add your tags. And then after you add your tags, it'll have you click save to save it. But that's it. That's how you add YouTube tags. Thanks for watching.